Good morning, my dear students. In previous video we have seen maths first lesson, geometrical construction. In previous video we have seen basic concepts of geometrical constructions like as line segment, angle and angle bisector. Now let us see few more examples of angle bisector. So let us see point angle bisector. Example, draw angle of 105 degree and draw its angle bisector. So for this, first we have to draw a line of any convenient measurement. So we drew line or ray, give the name for this ray BC. Now we have to draw angle of 105 degree. So for this we have to take protractor and we have to put this middle point on this point B and this ray on this ray BC. Now we have to take angle of 105 degree. See the direction of line to the right hand side. So from this side we have to count angle of 105 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. And this middle line, that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 100 plus 5, 105 degree. 105 degree is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means angle which is greater than 90 degree. Now we have to draw angle bisector of this angle. For this we can give the name of this point A. Now we got angle ABC of 105 degree and now we have to draw its angle bisector. So for this, of any convenient measurement, we have to draw arc on these two rays. So we have to put this point on the point B and we have to draw arc. So we have to draw arc on ray AB. So don't change this distance. We have to put on the point B and we have to draw arc on ray BC. Now again don't change this distance. Now put on this arc and draw arc. Similarly here also on the ray BA and draw the arc. Now we got this intersection point of these two arcs and now we have to join these 2 points, point B and end point of these two arcs. Now we got angle bisector of angle ABC. Now let us see another example of angle bisector. Write down next example. Draw angle bisectors of any obtuse angle triangle. So we know that the types of angles, there are 3 types of angle. Number 1, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle which is measures which measures more than 90 degree. Next, acute angle. Acute angle which measures less than 90 degree. And number 3, right angle which exactly measures 90 degree. So these are the types of angles. So we have to draw angle bisector of obtuse angles. So one angle should be more than 90 degree. So for this we have to draw a line now we have to make it as ray, so we can give the name QR. Now next we have to take obtuse angle. Obtuse angle we can take 100 degree. 100 degree means which is greater than or more than 90 degree. So we can put this point on this Q and this ray on this ray QR. Now see the direction of this line. So from this direction we can start the angle 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So we have to join these 2 points. Now we have to take a point on this ray and give the name of this point P, PQR. Now PQR is angle of 100 degree. Now we have to draw angle bisector of this triangle. So for this we have to join these 2 sides PR, and now we got triangle PQR. And now we have to draw its angle bisectors. So for this we have to draw arc. So we have to point this point on the point Q and we have to draw arc. Similarly we have to put this point on this arc and we have to draw arc. Then we have to join these 2 points Q and this point of intersection of these arcs. Similarly we have to draw arc of this point R. Don't change this distance. Now draw the arc. Now you will get this point of intersection of this arc. Now join this point R and this intersection point of this arc. Similarly, we have to draw arc of the point P. Don't change this distance. Now draw the arc. and join these 2 points of these arcs from the point P, and now we got angle bisector of these three angles PQR. And now we got here point of intersection of these 3 angle bisectors. Now let us see next point, that is perpendicular bisectors. Of a line segment. So in this point we have to draw a line segment and we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. So let us see example. Draw a line segment of the lengths given below and draw their perpendicular bisectors. So let us see example number 1, 4 centimeter. So first we have to draw a line of 4 centimeter. So 0 to 4, this is a segment. We can give name PS, is a line segment of 4 centimeter. Now we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means it makes 2 equal parts, and a line should be a straight line. So we have to put this point on the point P, and we have to take more than half distance, and we have to draw arc on the both side, upside and downside. Similarly, don't change the distance and put on the point S and draw the arc. Now we got here intersection point of these 2 arcs, and now join these 2 points. Now see, this line is a perpendicular. Perpendicular means straight line, which makes at this point angle of 90 degree. Therefore, for this point we can give the name M, and for this line we can give the name line L. So therefore here we got line L perpendicular to line PS. Symbolically we can write line L perpendicular line PS. Now let us see few more examples in next video, and I am going to give you few examples as a homework. Bye, take care.